This is elephant dung. It looks like tomato. What you will do with this plant, Naksing?
Yeah, I'm taking this one.
Antiseptic plant. You can eat the younger one. I think some of you might know this. Right now we are in elephant territory and there are lots of birds and beautiful shrubs and bushes. So right now we are heading towards Bururi River. My bro is there, Nikul is there, and Manke Sangma, yeah. And this is me with the long knife. So right now we are in elephant territory and it is quite dangerous to be out here with no protection except this, but we risk it to see the beautiful river. This is called Buruli River and that is a tree house. So here elephant used to take rest when they are tired of walking, and this is very new. So this is the way towards the river and there is no proper footpath. We are going through the bushes. Wow, whoa, 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 this is quite steep. Village kids. Oh, it's beautiful. This is Buruli River and that is I think ranger's place. Wah. And this is man. This is Nikul. Nikul. Bano ke behara. Rafting. Okay, let's see. Okay, they are rafting. Near the edge of this beautiful river, there is a edible jungle plant, which I don't know in English, but you can eat the seed of this plant. Now it is all dry. It is just like tomato but with hard shell. Man is clearing the jungle now. Good. So they are rafting in this beautiful river. Two boats, two rafts. So they started from the Jali and they are going to the Nameri camp, which is in this direction. Nice. While I was going towards the river, I saw this fruit. I forgot the name of this fruit, but we can have this fruit. This is jungle fruit. You can see It looks like tomato. I'll try once. Sweet. This is also a place where elephant rests. As you can see here, this is elephant dung. It is huge. So we finally reached to the entrance of the river, and before entrance you'll be able to see this is elephant dung. Come on, let's go. So we'll be going towards the river. Yeah, just run like bear girls. My shoes is all dirty now, but it's okay. This place is good. Come fast, man. Okay, so many rafts are here. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. So friends, this river comes from China, and if you search in Google Map, this river will be called Kameng River, but locally it is called Burali. And the water is freezing, just like it's coming out from glacier. Machi pakarai machi.
Ya.
Bisa kamu lagi.
Taruh kuda patah sih ramuli dah. Taruh kuda patah ya.
Ekdom. Yeah. Yeah. Rainbow.
Taruh kuda patah ya.
Tahu dia boleh? अभी देखो मैं पत्थर स्कीपिंग करूंगा.
Kuda mana ni? Mul. नहीं amul. Kuda ni kuda buat. Kuda bisa buat.
Bisa ba? Stone. Skipping stone. हाँ थोड़ा सा नमकीन बाबू देखो मान ये वाला अभी अच्छा से जाएगा. हाँ
Ayo suka dua teman yang
Kamu sana.
jangan susahku.
ini mana ya yan betak pitong yan betak tulo
Baru kita udah.
baru itu ayo ne. So my shoes is very dirty, and they are trying to make the way towards the hill so that his shoes won't be dirty. And even my brother is helping him. And we were there before in that cliff. You can see it is very steep. It's kinda peace out here. River sound. Yes, it's very good. And man, he is enjoying a lot peacefully. So you can see, friends, they are making their way towards the hill. They don't want to get their shoes dirty.
Yes, and we are doing hard work. So that we can climb the
Wow.
mountain.
Nice, nice, nice. Look at my shoes. I'll wash it. And he is man. He's enjoying his solitude. Skipping stone. Try. Oh, 2-3 jump. Now it's my turn. Yow! So that is the river, and the civilization is around that mountain, which is very far. So we are collecting some kind of plan which will help us in something. So that is the civilization. If you have seen that hill, so we are heading towards that place. So that tree is 4, and that is V, and it is 3. What you will do with this plant, Naksing?
Yeah, I'm taking this one for brooming.
So this is a broom.
Yes, it's a broom. It's a natural broom. No need to make, no need to remake.
This is a wild
No
broom.
need to polish it.
Wild broom.
Yes, this is called wild broom, and this is very, very useful for cleaning or for grooming our rooms, our house.
Yeah. So he is cutting the broom, and they are carrying.
Yes.
And I am making video. So now my brother is carrying, and he is following, and he also is flowing. So friends, this is antiseptic plant. When you got cut, you can crush with your saliva and you can put it on that wound and it will be healed. So this is a small creek which is following from that particular area, and this is electric pole, and there's a small fish out here, but I think it will be difficult for the camera to catch the fish. And this is fern, wild vegetable, which you can have when you are stuck in forest or something. So this is a fern. You can eat the younger one, but you can't eat the bigger one because it is very tough to eat. You can eat always the younger ones, and it is tasty. So friends, now we are in the creek, and when you see properly, you will be able to see so many snails that you can have, and these are in baby stage. I think some of you might know this. This is snail, or you can say paila. You can kiss and have the meat out of this, but it is very small right now, so no one is collecting. Let them grow.